Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic. You guys already know by the title of the video that we will be talking about Litecoin. Looking across the market, focus on what's happening. Majority of the cryptocurrency coins right now in the last 24 hours are down quite a bit. But if we go on to Litecoin, it's down about 2.1% in the last 24 hours, and it is one of the few coins that's up in BTC comparative. Surprise anyone at this point? Absolutely not. We will get into detail as to what is going on with Litecoin and what are some next price targets we could be looking at for LTC in the upcoming week. Looking at the price of Litecoin right now, it is currently trading at $94.52, down about 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's up about 1.8% in Bitcoin comparative, as I mentioned to you guys. Looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $6.85 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $826 million. So that is very impressive in my personal opinion. But now let's focus on the charts. But before we focus on the charts, let's look at this. This is the reason as to why Litecoin has been holding a very strongly compared to other altcoins right now. Especially we have seen, even though the price of Bitcoin has seen volatility, we have seen Litecoin majority of the time hold very strongly, which is a very bullish sign. You guys can see Litecoin halving countdown 152 days away, which is scheduled for July 24th. And as I've mentioned to you guys in my other videos, I do expect Litecoin to gain in price as we approach that halving date. But now if we're looking at the price of Litecoin, something very interesting is going on. But before we get into that, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Wow, Litecoin is looking very nice. Now you may be saying, whoa, what are you talking about, Crypto ZX? Are you lost right now? What are you talking about? Why I'm so bullish on Litecoin is because look at this chart. Despite the fact that we are seeing BTC take a little bit of a shake off, we're seeing Litecoin upwards trend still in play. We're creating higher highs and higher lows. So the upwards channel is still in play. So right off the bat, Litecoin is looking insanely bullish. And I've already explained as to why that's the case. We are seeing the halving coming up that is creating a lot of excitement in investors. And obviously these investors are not just retail, this is institutional interest coming in right now as well. But we're seeing something very interesting happen. We're seeing Litecoin having a very hard time, going above this level of resistance. We have seen it go up 2 or 3 different times, but every single time we have not been able to close above it. So it's a very important to see Litecoin in the next breakout. What I'm expecting to happen is go back down here and maybe come down here and in order for us to remain in this bull flag that we're seeing happen, which is an upwards trend. This is something I would want Litecoin to do in its next move towards the upside, and that would be very bullish. This would be the first time, let's look at the historic. This would be the first time in since May of last year to see the price of Litecoin staying above here for more than a week. So that we need to see the price starting to consolidate above this level of resistance moving forward. That is going to be a very bullish indication in my personal opinion, and I am expecting LTC is going to shock a lot of people as it does that. We're looking at some targets around $135 and straight to the $150 very fast. I'm personally projecting that because as halving comes closer, I think we're going to see more interest coming in than ever. It's just how things work when it comes to halving, but we will see what happens. But Litecoin has been performing really well, so I do want to put that out there for you guys. BTC, on the other hand, if you guys watch my other videos on vechain and all that good stuff, I did already cover that Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement, obviously after retesting this major level of resistance at that $25,200 mark, and which is very much needed. Again, we need to see a little bit of a cool off and a breather before we do see continuation upwards trend. As I've said to you guys, if we break out of that zone, you know, $30,000 is definitely on the table for Bitcoin. So definitely good things ahead. But you know, going back to what I was saying, ignore this, guys. This is basically you know, explaining. Maybe I'll explain it again if you guys have not seen my other videos. So basically, we're seeing the BTC dominance index starting to increase again. This basically means that money is coming out of altcoins back into Bitcoin. So when this happens, you know, altcoins tend to drop harder in negative in BTC dominance. But we're seeing this, you know, the opposite happen for Litecoin. Litecoin is up this time around, shows it's outperforming Bitcoin momentum right now, which is a very bullish indication. But that is it for today's update. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price of Litecoin going. If you support my channel, I have created my Patreon channel, link in the description box below. It gives you a chance to kind of engage with me on a monthly basis, no, on a daily basis. On Patreon, it's $10 a month, but you know, get a lot of perks, early access if you guys want me to request a specific project, or you want me to take a look at a project, hidden gems we can discuss, a lot of fun stuff. So come join if you guys want to support the channel, and it is going to be a lot of fun. But that is it for today's topic. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX and peace.